Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today I'll be making very easy, very simple chicken fried rice. Okay, if you are a vegetarian, you don't have to put the chicken in there. Okay, and this is the dish going to be very good for the beginners who just learning to make dish, who don't have a whole lot of time, and it's very nutrition because it has the chicken in there and eggs and rice and all the vegetables. I'm putting it in there, so it's gonna be very easy dish to cook. Okay, and it's very healthy. You don't have to cook like gravies and anything else with that because you have everything in there. Okay, let's see what all the ingredients we need to make this dish. Okay, to make fried rice, chicken fried rice, I have the chicken. I took one breast and cut them into the small, like a little cubes like this, so small little pieces. So you can cut them like that. And I have 2 eggs and 1 small cup of rice. Rice, guys, if you can cook day before, put it in the refrigerator. This makes very good fried rice. Or you can make it a couple of hours before and let it cool down completely before you make this dish. Okay, and also have some salt to taste. Don't add put too much salt because we're going to add some soya sauce and teriyaki sauce in there, and some black pepper and some garlic and some butter because this dish is tastes very good in the butter, and some vegetables. I have some onions and snow peas, and I have some onion top, green onions, and some carrot mastic. I cut into the masticks, or you can get it already cut like this in the store, from the stores. And I also have some broccoli. Whatever the vegetables you have, you can add it in there. That's why I have it in my house, so I'm putting all these vegetables. Okay, let's go make this dish. It's so easy. It's very simple, so it's very light. Okay, first we're gonna fry eggs in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil so the butter don't burn. Add a little bit of butter. Okay, so put these 2 eggs in there. Okay, add a little bit of salt in there, not too much salt. A little bit of black pepper, and we're going to scramble the egg. Friends, if you are visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because I'm gonna be coming up with a lot more recipes, easy and healthy. So please stay with me, and also please let me know if you want to learn something else. Just write me a comment. I'll cook for you. Okay. Okay, the egg is ready. I'm gonna remove the egg. Okay. Now we are gonna add again a little bit of oil. Rest of this butter. Then we add garlic. This is optional actually. If you like it, the smell is very good in the food. That's why I add garlic. If you don't want to, you don't have to add garlic. Okay. Especially if you don't eat garlic, you don't have to add. Garlic is smelling good. Cook a little bit. I will add this chicken. Bismillah. Add some more salt in there, a little bit, and a little black pepper. Okay. You're not gonna fry until it gets very, very harder. Just cook until it changes the color. Now you can add broccoli and carrots and the peas and onions and a piece. Okay, we're gonna just keep this onion tops. We're gonna put it on the top. I love colorful vegetables, and I use a lot of vegetables in my dishes. I'm almost a vegetarian. It takes a few minutes to cook the vegetables. This dish won't take too long. If you have all these things are prepared, you can make it in 10 minutes. If you buy the vegetables from the stores, just chop them like this and put in the Ziploc bags in the refrigerator, so it's going to be easy for you when you come from work or maybe school to cook. You don't have to be sitting over there and chopping all the vegetables. And most of the vegetables, that's what I do. When I bring them, and I wash them and let it dry completely, because you have to let it dry completely. If you have water in there, they will rot. Okay, and also you can put it a little bit of paper towel inside, wrap it in the paper towel, then put in the Ziploc bag. If there is any moisture, absorbs the paper towel. Paper towel will absorb the moisture. I love this sweet snow peas. I can just take the whole bag and just eat like that. And do not cook vegetables until mushy. Do not make mushy. Let the vegetables be crunchy. I like vegetables crunchy. I don't have mung sprout. If you have the mung sprout, put that one in there too. It's really, really good. Okay guys, the vegetables are ready. And we're going to add rest of this salt in there. And black pepper. Now we can add all this rice in there. We're going to add this fried egg in there. We're going to add some soya sauce. And a little bit of teriyaki sauce. So yummy. beautiful. You don't need anything to eat with this. You have everything in there. Okay, now if you like a little spicy, I have some sriracha sauce over here. You can put a little bit of sriracha sauce if you like spicy. If you like a little spicy, otherwise you don't have to. Okay, that's it. Or you can put it when you're eating. Okay friends, our yummy fried rice is ready. I think the whole family will like this. Thank you. See you later. Bye.